Hey guys, Taki here. What is going on? So in today's video, I want to show you how to find easy keywords to rank on page one of Google. So this is the exact strategy me and my team use when we have new clients. So we have ranked our clients on page one for pretty tough keywords, and we know what we are doing. We are into this business for almost 8+ years now, so we know what we are doing. So these are paid ads, and that's our client side there, ranking number one for multiple keywords. And then we have one more client that we have recently started with. Again, these are not easy keywords. These are pretty tough keywords to rank on page one of Google. Now here our client is number 8, I guess. We've started just 2 months back with this client, and pretty soon he is gonna be somewhere here, top 3. That's what we are after. So today I want to show you how you can find easy to rank keywords, so that you don't have to wait for a long time to help your client or to work on your own site. So the first step that we follow is using SEMrush, a free tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my competitor URL. For example, let's say in this case, this is my client's competitor, so that's my competitor, and we're going to do a quick search and see what kind of keywords they are targeting and where they are ranking for that keywords. So that will give us an idea on what keywords to go after. So if you click on organic keywords here, okay, now here you could see all the keywords. Now they are ranking number 1, as I showed you just now. They're ranking number 1 for this keyword, and we are ranking number 7, I guess. So those are the keywords. That's one more great keyword we could go after. Best men's undershirts 2018 or 2017. Now if you have an account with them, you could find all this keywords here, but the top keywords will be listed here with the free upgrade. Now there's one more tool I use along with this is SpyFu. Again, this is also a free tool, but if you need more data, they will have a subscription for that. Now if you click on organic keywords, again you can see we have different keywords here, and you could see their backlinks and what kind of backlinks they have. Now if you click on this link, you will be showed more related keywords, their monthly searches. Now as you can see, guys, who makes the best undershirts for men? Now imagine that if we are creating affiliate website to promote undershirts for men, and we are ranking for this long tail keyword, which gets around close to 1,000 searches a month. This kind of long tail keywords would be very easy to rank for, and that's how. And I didn't do this before. I'm just doing this live on this video, and as you can see, I'm gonna work on this keyword. So if you want, you can also, but that's the keyword which is getting a lot of searches. They are advertisers, because you can see the CPC is really good. So that's a winner. That's a keyword. And like I said, I use SpyFu and SEMrush to find the hidden long tail keywords with a lot of monthly searches, and then I go after them. There's the second way that I use to find really good hot trending keyword is by using, again, it's a free tool called Google Trends. You can just go to Google and type Google Trends, and you can select this by city. I'm sorry, by country, and yeah, so there you have it. You can see all the trending stories right now, and then you take the keyword that you think you could create site on, and then you do a quick search, find the competitors, use SEMrush, and that's the easiest way, guys. Don't try to I see a lot of new SEOs try to complicate this step. This step is pretty easy. As you can see, within just few minutes I found a winner keyword. That's a very long tail keyword. I could probably rank on page 1 for the keyword within few weeks, and then it has around 1,000 monthly searches. How cool is that? So that's the two tips I have for you in this video, guys. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Have a good day.